Good day po, teachers! Welcome back po dito sa Learning Pal, kung saan po tayo nag-share ng latest DepEd news and updates and free learning resources. So ito nga po, kahapon lang po in-announce na pwede na raw po natin makuha ang ating medical allowance, ang sabi po ng Department of Budget of Management. So ito po, DBM OK's guidelines on 7,000 medical allowance for government workers. At ito po ang source po natin ay from the Philippine News Agency na pagmamayari po ng government website. Ito, isa po itong government website. So nakalagay po rito na government workers may now receive their medical allowance as the Department of Budget and Management approves the guidelines on the grant of the 7,000 medical allowance for 2025. Ito ang araw po ay nakabase sa Budget Circular 2024, number 6, which layouts the guidelines and regulations on the grant of the medical allowance. So ito pong Budget Circular, nagkasabi po na meron po tayong 7,000 medical allowance na matatanggap every year. At ito nga po ay kasama rin po na support po mula po dun sa prescribed the salary increase for government personnel signed by our President Ferdinand R. Marcos last August 2, 2024. So ito na pong promise, I will give the annual medical allowance to qualified civilian personnel as a subsidy to avail of a health maintenance organization type benefits. So ito na po isang pangarap na sabi po niya rito, let me quote her, na matagal ko na po itong pangarap. Ito para sa ating mga kababayan. Pagpasok po ng 2025, maaari na po silang makatanggap po ng medical allowance para makatulong sa pagkuha nila ng kanilang health medical organization para sa kanilang health-related expenses o gastusin. So, ito po ay napakagandang benefits po dahil alam naman po natin sa work po natin as teachers, dahil marami po tayong mga health problems na na-encounter, especially sa ating work. Ito pong benefits na to ay meron rin po for all civilian government personnel in the national government agencies, including state universities and colleges and government-owned and controlled corporations not covered by the Republic Act 10149 and EO 150 series of 2021. Okay? So, ang tanong po is, paano po ang pagbigay ng benefits ng ating 7,000 worth ng ating medical allowance. So, nakalagay po rito na para po tayo magkaroon ng health maintenance organization type benefits. So, alam naman po natin na marami po tayong mga kakilala na meron po silang ganitong benefits na tanggap, So, ito po itong 7,000 medical allowance, nakasaad rin po sa Budget Circular na nilabas po, number 7, makikita po natin dito, kung paano po, ibibigay yung ating medical allowance. So, pwede raw po ito in the form of HMO. Ang ibig sabihin po ng HMO ay Health Medical Organization type product coverage, which could be availed by either government agencies concerned or the respective employees, organizations, or groups. So, pwede pong kumuha yung isa pong government agency or employees organization na babagay po sa ating HMO type product coverage, And then, pwede rin po, ito po 7.1.2 in cash form for those who will avail their own or pay or renew their existing HMO type benefits. So, pwede rin po siyang cash na pwede nilang gamitin para mag-avail po ng HMO type benefit or bayaran yung meron na po silang ginagamit na HMO type benefit. And then, sa pong next, in cash form for those who pay their medical expenses such as but not limited to hospitalization, emergency care, diagnostic tests, and medicines due to the difficulty in acquiring HMO product in view of the following. Okay, so pwede rin pong cash na pambayad po sa ating mga medical expenses. Na example po is sa hospitalization, emergency care, diagnostic test, and medicine. So papansin po natin, ito po maganda po to kasi usually marami po sa atin ang nagbabayad po ng ating sariling medical, no, sa mga diagnostic test centers. Kung maalala po natin, bago po mag-start yung year, no, pinirequire po tayo magpa-medical. Okay, so yun po muna ang good news, fellow teachers. So, pwede pong HMO type product coverage na kukunin ng ating agency. Pwede rin pong cash para mag-avail po tayo ng HMO or pambayad po na meron po tayong HMO. Or pwede rin pong cash para bayaran yung ating mga medical expenses na nagamit nung tayo po ng hospital, may emergency, at ating pong diagnostic test and medicines. So, please subscribe po and hit that notification bell para updated po tayo sa mga latest news about DepEd at sa mga pag-uusapan po natin sa mga susunod. So, ang next po natin topic ay meron po kayong tax itong ating HMO. Ito pong ating 7K medical allowance. So, kung meron po kayong questions or clarifications, don't hesitate po to put that in the comment section at try po natin sagutin yung lahat. So, see you po, teachers!